Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Samsung Galaxy M05. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on whatever you want to and then click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick multiple files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some deep pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you want to input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!